Hello everyone, I'm Shravani. I'm a student payment for data visualization techniques. Now I'm going to explain about interacting with visualizations. Let's get started. Interacting with visualizations. What is visualization? Visualization means graphical representation of information and data. Visualizations are used to discover unknown facts and trends. For example, if you have a large amount of data, then it is very difficult for us to analyze the data. By using visualization, we will analyze the data easily. It is an interface between human and computer in a man-machine problem-solving system. It provides visual markers for concepts. It reveals structural relationships between problem components. Next, moving on to some models of visualizations. Overview, zoom, filter details, visualization pipeline knot, knowledge crystallization. Let's discuss briefly about these models in coming slides. Interaction paradigm. Overviewing the data, zooming the data on what area we want, and filtering the details, and we can view the details on demand, and browsing for the data, searching for the data. Let's discuss about these components briefly in visualization tool Tableau. This is the home page of Tableau software. I'm importing the data. After importing, here we are able to see the overview of the data, and we can sort the data depending on alphabetical order, and also we can sort the data, and we can add some filters also. Now I'm creating a new sheet for visualization. I'm dragging the state here. Here after dragging, we are able to see the map. Next, I want to know the cheating cases in different states in India. After applying visualizations, here we are able to see the cheating cases rate in different states in India. I want to create another sheet, and by double clicking on these data, here we are able to see the map. I want to change the map. After that, I want to know the dowry deaths in India. After applying visualization, we are able to see the number of dowry death cases in different states in India. I want to change the map to pie chart. This is the pie chart. Now I will create a dashboard. By clicking on middle button, we are able to see the new dashboard. Next, I am dragging the sheet 7 here and sheet 8 here. Here we can change the title, and we can change the colors, and we can apply some filters. For time being, I will show the dashboard which I have created earlier. This is the dashboard which I have created earlier, representing the different crime cases in different states in India, like kidnapping cases, criminal breach cases, cheating cases, murder cases. If I want to know the particular state crime case details, then I will use filter option. I want to know the crime rate in Uttar Pradesh. When I click on Uttar Pradesh, then it filters the data. It shows us the Uttar Pradesh state's data only. And also for this dashboard, I have applied different colors options and text options, and add title options in dashboard. Yeah, this is the overview of the visualization and dashboard. Next, moving on to the presentation. Visualization pipeline. Visualization pipeline means it is the process of how data is converted into an visualization. Like first we will take and raw information. After that we are changing that into data set. After that visualization form. Next we are make some changes, to make the visualization more interactive as per the user's request. Next let's discuss briefly about these in next slide. Visualization pipeline, most fundamentally visualizations are adjustable mappings from data to visual form to human perceiver, series of data transformations, multiple change transformations. Entire pipeline comprises an information visualization. Data transformations means here we are changing the raw data into an data tables. Next, visualization mappings means here we are transforming the data tables into an visualization structures. View transformations means here we are applying some filter options and zooming options, like all those in view transformations. Next, moving on to knowledge crystallization. Here we are gathering the knowledge and we are changing the data and manipulating the data, like here we are taking in one task and we are extracting the data, and we can read the data and manipulate the data, and we will create an one schema, like one table with not null values, and also here we are detecting the pattern, like visualization. Next, here we are changing the data and asking for the query and filtering the data. This is the knowledge crystallization, and this is the in this session we have covered the interacting with visualization. This is the end of the session. Thank you.